to the show studio today. I am doing a video hop. It's hosted by PM Artist Studio, Patricia and Mariah. They have a YouTube channel and they sell stencils and stamps. And they also have a Facebook group, and they do a collaboration or video hop every month. And this month's video hop is hashtag Fly Me to the Moon. And you can put that in the search anywhere and find more things based on the prompt Fly Me to the Moon. They also have the hashtag Makers Creative Collab. And so with this video hop, we just do a quick kind of a walkthrough is what I'm going to do. I'm hiding it under their stuff. But I'll walk you through it. I will have a video later on with the process. I haven't looked at the footage for that, so hopefully it all turned out. But yeah, I'm excited to show you what I did. So I'm going to walk through it, and then make sure you check the links in the description box below. You'll have all the creators that are participating in the YouTube part of it. And then the link at the end screen of my video will also have a link to the next person, so you can just keep hopping to everybody and get all the way through them without having to think about it. So, alright, here it is. Fly Me to the Moon. Isn't that cute? I heard the prompt, and the only thing that went through my mind is the song Fly Me to the Moon. And I think this is unwind. The star as being the holder is probably a little problematic with the points on there. I did put some glossy accents on those, trying to make them a little stiffer, but that's just my closure. So obviously I made a book. Guess I should say that first. I made a book. Carrie the Crafter, he copied somebody's design for a flip book, and I saw that one, and then I saw, I think it's May May Made It, or May May Makes It. She did one, and that's ultimately the one they copied. So I did the same design. I made a couple of books, and then this opportunity to do this came out, and I decided to go with it. So I have jelly printed Celestial Bodies, my moon. So if I'll show you the front and the back, because they were one piece of paper at one time. So that's supposed to be Earth and the moon. Cute, huh? Right? I've never created the moon and other planets using the gel plate, so I was pretty excited about how they turned out. And I even like the little white frothy looking stuff around here, because that could totally be the Milky Way, right? Right. So inside, I have a little bit of a glare. So inside, there's a little star. That hole in the paper design was inspired by somebody else I watched. I think it was APG Jamie. And then these can be, this is just the raw book. Like, more things can happen to this book. But I decided that this was Mars. The song has Jupiter and Mars in it, so I added a little red. We got a lot of red planets there. And then I have this, I did impressions with a pen on stiff cardstock and printed it. I wasn't as happy with that, but the paper that I used kind of looks cool. And then inside here, I just have all these. These are a little bit smaller than ATC, because that's what would fit. I had to stitch it because I used Hippie Crafter paint, and it's a little bit glossy, so it was hard to get things to glue. So that's why. But these are all just like almost ATC. I could turn them into tags. They're just blank, ready to play with. Alright, and more Mars. And then we have a planet. Saturn. Like the rings? I just had to try that. And that's metallic paint. That was a lot of fun. And then on the other side is the planet Jupiter. I was really excited how these turned out. That one probably should be upside down. You know, I shouldn't point that out, but I think it turned out okay. And then I really loved this. This stencil was just a circle stencil. And I don't know if you can tell on here, there was a stencil used. I used the flip-flop technique to create the texture and pattern on there. And on Saturn, you can see it right there. A little bit of, oh here, a little bit of the pattern there. And then this one, I did several prints, so if you come back and watch the process video when I get that done, you'll see. But I did the flip-flop technique here too with nested circles, except for I kind of had to cover up my attachments because, you know, I didn't think about that until after. So there is my project. So happy about it. And these, I just cut these out of cardstock, painted them silver, and then added glossy accents. I have like thin paper on the back, thick cardstock on the front, and then just put some glossy accents on there to make them stiff. And probably should have put a circle at the end because it's an effort to get that around there. And then I just put a little circle on the bottom of it because why not? Alright, so there it is, Fly Me to the Moon. I hope you liked my project. Like I said, it has, you could do more with this. I could do more with the spine. It needs zhuzhing, right? So, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Love to hear your comments. I always respond to them. And don't forget, click the link so that you can see the next person in line. So, before I go, I was thinking I needed to stamp this with MS for Margelle Shelley. And we're just gonna, hopefully this works. Not tested. We'll put it in that white spot. Maybe that center. There. Now it's mine. You probably can't see that, but it's there. Alright. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.